India's much-publicized AI Impact Summit in New Delhi, intended to showcase the country's technological leadership, instead descended into chaos, confusion, and even theft, exposing glaring mismanagement by the Modi government. Delegates from over 100 countries, they were confronted with long snaking queues, inadequate seating, poor crowd control, and restrictive security protocols that leave exhibitors and startup founders stranded outside the main hall. VIP bypassed lines, while ordinary participants, they struggled to access their own booths, with their personal belongings such as bags, car keys, and water prohibited. Journalists, they faced repeated registration failures, malfunctioning QR codes, and confusing entry procedures, while basic amenities like Wi-Fi, food, and digital payment options were largely unavailable. Founders, they were forced to pay in cash under restrictive conditions, compounding frustration. And to make the matters worse, allegations of theft surfaced when wearable AI devices from New Sapiens were reported stolen during a security sweep ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's arrival. The debacle prompted an apology from Information Technology Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw, who acknowledged the difficulties and promised corrective measures. However, opposition leaders, they were very quick to condemn the summit as a global embarrassment. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge criticized the event as a PR-driven exercise that transformed a potential showcase of India's AI capabilities into a spectacle of incompetence. He highlighted the summit's mismanagement, from restricted access and lack of basic familiarities to theft and disorganized operations, as a failure that undermined India's credibility on the global stage. The New Delhi's AI Summit, rather than projecting India as a leader in digital innovation, has instead spotlighted the government's operational inefficiencies, raising serious questions about its ability to host high-profile international events and manage technological forums effectively.